Hey everyone, welcome to Tell All Wealth, your go-to source for making money online. Now, more than ever, people are looking for ways to make money outside of their 9 to 5, and honestly, who can blame them? With inflation soaring higher than a SpaceX rocket, that 9 to 5 salary just doesn't cut it anymore. But the good news is the internet has opened up a world of possibilities for earning extra cash, and one of the best ways to do that is through freelancing. I mean, it's never been easier to turn your skills and experience into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time income. So in this video, I'm going to break down the top 5 freelancing websites that can help you get started today. No more excuses. Let's unlock your earning potential. All right, let's kick things off with Upwork. This platform is an absolute giant in the freelancing world, and for good reason. It's like the Amazon of freelancing, connecting millions of freelancers with clients from all corners of the globe. And trust me, when I say all corners, I mean it. No matter what your skill set is, chances are Upwork has a place for you. Whether you're a coding whiz, a wordsmith extraordinaire, a graphic design guru, or even a spreadsheet ninja, Upwork has got you covered. Now, here's how it works. Clients post projects with specific requirements, and you, my friend, get to swoop in with your killer proposal and hopefully land the gig. It's kind of like online dating, but instead of swiping right, you're crafting compelling proposals that showcase your skills and experience. And trust me, when you nail that perfect proposal and land a high-paying project, it's a feeling like no other. But here's the best part. Upwork handles all the messy stuff for you, like invoicing and payment processing. That means you can focus on what you do best, delivering top-notch work and raking in those sweet earnings. Plus, with Upwork's built-in feedback system, you can build a stellar reputation and attract even more clients. It's a win-win situation. Next up, we've got Fiverr, the land of opportunity, where even the smallest gigs can lead to big-time success. Now, you might be thinking, Fiverr, isn't that where everything costs $5? Well, hold your horses, my friend, because while Fiverr started with that whole $5 concept, it's evolved into a full-blown freelance marketplace where you can charge what you're actually worth. See, Fiverr is all about gigs, bite-sized services that you offer to clients worldwide. Think of it like your very own online shop, where you get to showcase your skills and attract eager buyers. And the best part, you get to set your prices, create packages, and offer add-ons to maximize your earnings. Now, Fiverr is a haven for creatives. Whether you're a logo design extraordinaire, a voiceover virtuoso, or a social media marketing maven, there's a hungry audience on Fiverr just waiting to snatch up your services. And with Fiverr's intuitive platform and global reach, you can literally work from anywhere in the world. It's like having a portable money-making machine in your back pocket. All right, moving on to freelancer.com, a platform that's all about competition and, of course, winning those coveted projects. Now, if you're someone who thrives in a fast-paced environment and loves the thrill of the chase, then freelancer.com is your playground. It's like the Wild West of freelancing, where freelancers from all over the world duke it out in a bidding war to land the best projects. Here's the deal. Clients post projects with their budget and requirements, and you, my friend, get to submit your best bid, highlighting why you're the perfect fit for the job. It's like an online auction, but instead of bidding on vintage stamps or rare Beanie Babies, you're bidding on opportunities to showcase your skills and build your freelance empire. But here's where freelancer.com sets itself apart: its unique milestone payment system. This means that you get paid in stages as you complete specific milestones outlined in the project. It's a great way to ensure that you're getting paid for your hard work and that clients are happy with the progress. Now, if you're looking for the creme de la creme of freelancing platforms, look no further than TopTal. This exclusive platform is like the Ivy League of freelancing, connecting the top 3% of freelance talent with the world's most prestigious companies. That's right, we're talking about big names like Google, Airbnb, and Shopify, companies that demand the best of the best. But here's the catch. Getting into TopTal is no easy feat. You've got to go through a rigorous screening process that tests your skills, experience, and even your personality. It's like the SATs of freelancing, but trust me, the rewards are well worth the effort. See, once you're in TopTal's exclusive network, you're not just another freelancer lost in the sea of mediocrity. You're a top tailor, a highly sought after expert in your field, commanding premium rates and working on projects that truly matter. Last but not least, we've got People Per Hour, a platform that's all about connecting freelancers with small businesses looking for hourly or project-based help. Now, if you're someone who values flexibility and enjoys working on a variety of projects, then People Per Hour might just be your new best friend. It's like the Swiss Army knife of freelancing platforms, offering a little something for everyone. On People Per Hour, you can find everything from short-term gigs that take a few hours to long-term projects that span several weeks or even months. And the best part, you get to set your hourly rate, manage your availability, and choose projects that align with your skills and interests. It's like having your own personal freelance agency, but without all the overhead and administrative headaches. Now, People Per Hour is particularly popular for tasks like writing, virtual assistants, web development, and graphic design. But don't let that limit you. If you've got a skill that businesses need, chances are you can find work on People Per Hour. So there you have it, folks, the top 5 freelancing websites to jumpstart your journey towards financial freedom. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these platforms provide endless opportunities to monetize your skills and build a successful freelance career. Remember, the key is to find the platform that aligns best with your skills, experience, and goals. Do your research, explore the different options, and don't be afraid to experiment until you find the perfect fit. And hey, who knows, maybe one day you'll be sharing your own freelancing success story with the world. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Tell All Wealth, and hit the notification bell for more tips. Thanks for watching.